Welcome to this video from Dr. Lock. So keypad failed, lock still works. Managed to get the safe open one last time. Had to pull the processor off the board and fix some stuff on the actual keypad. So that's just the data that gets sent as you press the button, goes to the lock body, translates that into the code that's stored in the lock itself. Now these are the problems with these cheaper made safes, mind you. The quality of this safe is actually reasonably well for what it's got to secure, and the bolt work is nice. But what happens is these cheaper safe locks, so they haven't skipped on a lot of stuff, but on the actual safe lock itself it looks okay, but the answer is buy a well-known brand safe lock and then you got no problems. All right, so we've got this door back to the workshop now, and I'll order the lock that I need to do, and we'll install that and then give it back to the customer. Happy days. Thanks for watching.